Welcome to another edition of Source Selection Soundbites. Today we will discuss the history of the past performance evaluation factor and the purpose for which it was promoted at the time the Federal Acquisition Streamlining Act, or FASA, was passed. According to the FAR, past performance is information regarding a contractor performance on active and physically completed contracts. In the past, before acquisition reform and the FAR 15 rewrite, past performance had been mainly considered in the government's responsibility determinations. A review of past performance information to make a responsibility determination gives the agency insight into the contractor's overall ability to perform. But in terms of responsibility, the determination is a go-no-go decision. Agencies began to use past performance in the qualitative manner in procurements since the 1960s, but it was far from a universal practice. By the early 1990s, Congress and the executive branch sought to expand and elevate the past performance factor's use by making it the principal non-price evaluation factor in government procurement. It was a tool for simplification and streamlining implemented in FASA, which was passed in 1994. Among other things, FASA required the government, 1. To collect and maintain accurate and relevant contractor performance data for source selection decision-making, and 2. Encouraged streamlining of the acquisition process by using past performance information in lieu of voluminous technical and management proposals to the maximum extent practicable. Congress and its consultants thought that past performance could be used in lieu of technical and management proposals because many facets of technical and management plans tie back to a vendor's past performance. It ties back to things such as understanding of the requirement, staffing plan and innovative techniques, management plan, phase-in plan, key personnel, and risk management. Capability can be seen in the past performance information and demonstrates their ability to perform on similar requirements. This new approach to acquisition makes sense because FASA also represented a shift from non-commercial to commercial buying and the government's preference for commercial items. With that shift, they wanted to mimic how consumers purchased in the commercial market. In short, to the maximum extent practicable, they examine the relevance of the item or service, the quality of the item or service, and the price. This streamlining initiative was clearly aimed at FAR 15 negotiated procurements because it was and is by far the most arduous and lengthy acquisition method. Lawmakers were counting on past performance to unburden the system by requiring past performance in FAR 15 negotiated procurements. To the degree that it reduced the amount of evaluation factors, it would accomplish this goal. Think about this. Why is FAR 15 the only FAR part that requires the use of past performance unless the CO cites a reason for not doing so? Why does it have the most detailed instructions for using past performance? The answer is that it is the acquisition procedure most in need of an injection of efficiency. It was meant to replace factors, but typically it has been added to them. In this episode of Source Selection Soundbites, we discuss the history and purpose of the past performance evaluation factor. This concludes today's Source Selection Soundbite. If this video was helpful, hit the like and subscribe button to ensure you don't miss any new material. If you want more details on the subject, they are available on the Source Selection Answer app. It contains lectures, quizzes, court cases, sample documents, and more material that allow practitioners to quickly obtain actionable knowledge. Thanks for watching. See you next time.